Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Dr. Marco Paret.
In every field in which you get results with hypnosis, with mesmerism, you will get stronger results. With mesmerism, you will get in touch with the body. Also, with mesmerism, you use non-verbal stimulation that have a more subtle effect than what is normally used in verbal hypnosis. So we can use mesmerism to change habits. We can use mesmerism to change behaviors. We can use mesmerism to increase charisma, to have more success. Also, it's very important that we work directly with the body. So if you have some problem that has a psychosomatic basis or that a physical basis, mesmerism is the direct key, the direct direction to go on. You can use mesmerism also in sport. In sport, for increasing the results, you can use it, there is also a declination for education. In some way, we can think that the verb mesmerism, sometimes to mesmerize means catch the attention. In some way, mesmerism can help also in education. We have a specific declination of our techniques useful for education. So mesmerism is something that is very useful, is based on the body, is a specific form of doing hypnosis, completely different from normal hypnosis, that can uplift it, that can substitute even completely non-verbal, that can completely substitute verbal hypnosis in case, and can give or can complement, it depends on the cases, and can give extraordinary results.
more about nonverbal hypnosis, subscribe to our YouTube channel.